The blind spot is just all of us being aware of when is it that we're only seeking information out that confirms things that we already believe to be true, right? It's basically what we call confirmation bias, that you will only hear and you will only look for things that confirm your bias. And anything that doesn't confirm your pre-existing bias, you reject and you just say that it's wrong because it might be uncomfortable for you. But people who are really great entrepreneurs, I find, are amazing at leaning into discomfort. And this is in every area of their business, right? It could come with having the practice, for example, of talking to your staff and saying, how can we improve our business? Right? What can I do as you know, the leader of this organization to make your life better? Asking these questions. And they can be difficult because you might hear things that you don't want to hear, but ultimately it's going to make you better. So ask yourself in this process, how willing are you to hear things that you might not want to hear, and how objective are you in seeking the truth? Because it's very difficult to find the truth if you have a preference. This goes for every area of life. If you have a preference to hear something, you will obscure what you're hearing with your preference.